Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. I'm happy you joined me here today. We're going to be doing some painting. We are going to be doing some fun painting. I got from sweet Tracie Reed her wonderful split cup. Now, she made this. She made this with her 3D printer, and she put a lot of work into it. She made a lot of different ones until she got it just right. I love the spout on this cup. And Tracie Reed, I thank you. There'll be a link in the description box of how to find that on her Etsy shop, or reach out to her on Facebook, Tracie Reed. We got some pretty colors, my soft and delicate, pretty colors. Our base coat is already down. Our base coat is Rust-Oleum, and that is the metallic white pearl. Really good paint, good value, guys, goes a long way. My pouring medium today is 50% Floetrol, 50% Golden GAC 800, and mix pour as needed to thicken up my paints. Why do I need mix pour? Because it thickens my paints. Why do I need to thicken up my paints? Thicken, that's a hard word for me to say. It's like my tongue gets all tied up or something. I need to thicken my paints for things like ring pours, straight pours, anything where it's not a swipe. And the reason I have to thicken my paints up is because I use a lot of fluid paints. It says so right there, fluid. What does that mean? It means it's more fluid than most of your tube paints. So when I'm mixing up a cup, this is a 6-ounce cup, I put about 2 ounces of my pouring medium into the cup, and then I add about an ounce of paint to my cup. I stir it up, I check the consistency, and then I add my mix pour. I keep it in a little container right here, and I add a squeeze at a time until I get it to the consistency that I want. That consistency is, as Sweet Mina says, a mound on a mound on a mound. And I do that with all of my paints, and I generally start off with my fluid paints. I get them to the consistency that I want, and I move on to my heavier body paints. So we've got some fluid paints, we've got some not so fluid paints, and we've got some medium body paints here. So they all get a little bit of different attention. No mix pour in my, let's talk about this paint. This is my DecoArt Metallics, and this is my Pewter. Let's take a look at that, guys. Do you see how thick that is? Well, this is a medium body paint. So I did not need to add any of my mix pour to it because I added my pouring medium, stirred it up, checked its consistency, and I did not need to thicken it up because it's already thick. This paint right here and this paint right here, these are both fluid paints. This is Golden Iridescent Pearl. So I added my pouring medium, 50% Floetrol, 50% GAC 800, added my paints to the cup, stirred it up, checked the consistency, and because it's a fluid paint and it's thinner than tube paints or heavier body paints, I needed to add my mix pour to this. I love my mix pour. I've just got it down. I'm used to it, and I love it, and I hate it when I'm out of it. And this pretty cup right here is Golden Fluid Paints, and that's their Paynes Gray. Pouring medium, ounce of paint, stirred it up. I needed to add some mix pour to this because it's a fluid paint and I needed my consistency thicker. This right here is the DecoArt Pewter, which I just showed you. No mix pour because it's a heavier body paint. Just my paint and my pouring medium, 50% Floetrol, 50% Golden GAC 800. How do I mix that? I get a jug. Rick drinks a lot of tea. I save these jugs. I have a little line right there. I fill it up to here with my Floetrol. Then I fill it the rest of the way with my GAC 800. I stir it up, and I stir it every time I use it because Floetrol is heavier than GAC and sinks to the bottom. So I keep my PM. I've got about 4 of these jugs all up and ready to go. I strain my Floetrol, put it in here, add my GAC 800, and I am good to go, guys. Easy breezy. This beautiful color, oh my goodness, I just ordered 2 more bottles of that. Can you see that consistency? Can you see that beautiful, beautiful shimmer? That is Treasure Gold Purple Topaz. Little expensive, 14 bucks for this little bottle. I only buy it when I have my Michaels coupon. I absolutely love it. Oh, and I forgot, in my Paynes Gray, I added a couple of squirts of my Pearl Medium just to kick it up a notch. What the heck, guys? What the heck? So I think that's it. Base coat is down. Got my handy dandy Tracie Reed Split Cup in hand. I'm going to go ahead and prep this cup, and we're going to do a traveling split cup pour. And I'm excited about it because it's some of my favorite colors. Let's put some tunes on, guys, so we can have some fun. Let's get busy.
Give me something, something good. I get wasted on the thought of you. Head is spinning, I can't move. Smoky eyes in a groove. No, I can't get you out of my mind. You're still with me all the time. Oh, how long will I have to wait? How long have we been too late? Now I wish that we never met, so that I don't have to try to forget you. Drifting away, I am drifting away. Wasted youth, wasted love. Yeah. Was filled with potential, but I wasted. I am wasted on the thought of you. Don't know how to cut me loose, cut me loose. I can't get you out of my mind. You're still with me all the time.